We had to separate this baby calf from his mother. He was supposed to be running playfully, staying by his mother's side. Are you wondering what crime he must have committed to deserve being separated from his mother? His only crime was being born as a male. I received a phone call from one person saying that a male calf was born in their home and they are planning to sell for slaughter. So he asked me to take this calf to our sanctuary. I asked that person, how can someone sell a baby calf without any mercy for slaughter? He said there is no use commercially to keep a male calf. That is why I was very shocked. To save his life, we had to rescue him and bring him to our sanctuary. Just imagine, how much must he be yearning for his mother? Why are we doing so much cruelty to these innocent beings who have done nothing wrong?